Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Wolf and her Fox Sister, chapter 22. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the party of Mingjun's was held on Elk Duke Hotel. It was called Jane's Ball. Everyone seems to be dancing on the dance floor. Well, for UNC, she was busy making sure that the party is well protected from any who wants to disrupt peaceful party. Didn't see Xiaojun, and I don't see like someone miss me second. So someone was moved closer to her and said, "Miss, do you need a mask?" Well, it turns out she was given a half mask, and UNC accepted that mask. Miss Jane is here, the second lady of the Mi family. Well, it turns out the two of them came down from upstairs. Minjun is holding the second girl or her fiancé down on the stairs. Looking at her, she seems to be looking professional. When the people see the two of them, everyone seems to be surprised. Everyone was looking at them. Well, we can blame her. They really look stunning. Especially Minjun. She looks really elegant. It's a good match, the people said. It is the engagement party next time. The people are shouting. Well, the two of them seems to be much. Wealthy of the family and also good background has all met. What about the feelings? I heard that the families of both sides are very optimistic about the marriage of these two. It seems that everyone is being expected that the two of them are getting married. Right now, UNC, it seems that she looks really jealous, right? She is wearing a half mask and Minjun, she doesn't notice it yet. For her, well, it was really good that the two of them are really good match. But what about she looks really sad? Someone is calling. Well, right now, she need to do her job. Of course, the party needs protection. Also right now, there is someone. It seems that is going to transform into Beastie. Looking at her, she really looks uncomfortable. Suddenly, she rushed through away. Well, dodging. UNC, this girl. She might transform on the Beastie mode right now. Well, suddenly, UNC. She followed the girl. Someone said, "Ah, help." Girl seems to be attacking participant in the party, but right now, her teeth, her eyes, is getting beastie. Help, security. She is in estrus. Well, it seems that this girl is really uncomfortable. Right now, there's some guests falling on the floor. It must really hurt. A lot of guests are being agitated because of the girl. It's going to ravage. Luckily, UNC was there. The girl is tough. Is already pinned down on the floor. Now, she is warning the others. She was screaming. They need to get out so the venue will be clearly. Right now, UNC. It's about to be completely beastly. So don't be stunned. Get out of here. Now, she was really shouting. Also, right now, Minjun, it seems that she recognized her. But their eyes met. Right now, it seems that she was really surprised that UNC was there. The orcs in the Esterus did not hurt people, and two guests were injured. Oh, they're also one of the two orcs because they are too close and affected by the smells of the Esterus. It's not here. That's she is. Well, right now, she was stopping at UNC. Right now, she's going to find Minjun. Maybe Minjun is the one who's getting affected by the Esterus. Now, UNC is smelling her. She said to herself that I have to see Xiaojun. Well, of course, right now, she is finding Xiaojun. Small Brit is here. I have inhibitor, just one shot, but that thing hurts the body. She really knows this, but she really needs to do this. Right now, if you don't need an inhibitor, are you going to shoot me? Well, right now. Well, it makes sense. The two of them seems to be in good relationship. That's why they're laughing to each other. Alright, alright. Please first help me to stabilize those people. It was no good. Well, right now, it's me. It turns out she will go back down. To stabilize the people. To make sure everyone is safe. To move out, the door is open. Now, UNC was hiding on the back of the door. Well, finally, it's me is going down. UNC right now, she's going to enter the door. Well, what could it be? Why she want to find Xiaojun, even though she's the one who's hiding from her. Right now, she want herself to be seen by Xiaojun. Now, she entered to find Minjun. Minjun was on the room. Well, did she really want to see her? Turns out Minjun, she didn't see. Why are you back again? That UNC was there, going to enter to her room. Since she looked back, now UNC said to her, because I heard that Miss Jane has needs. Oh, this girl. To be a lover of Minjun again. Of course, Minjun. She seems to be puzzled. Why suddenly UNC was there? She was calling her sister. And now she was holding a one shot of inhibitor. It turns out it was UNC going to stop Minjun from taking the inhibitor. Because I am security guard here. How did you get here? Worried about Minjun. It seems to be she was a little bit cold. This thing hurts the body. If we inject her for so long, your whole person will be abolished. Of course, she need to warm Minjun. I don't want you to take care of it. Now, is Minjun teasing her? Right now, UNC, Xiaojun, don't you want to leave me? Now, the situation is getting changed. She came here and suddenly get worried about her. Or sister, you finally figure out that stop being with my relatives. Want to act like my lover. Now Minjun is teasing UNC. Of course, right now. But it's getting hindrance, the consequence and the status of their life. Right now. But sister, I will have a fiancé soon. You may have seen her just now. It was too late, sister. Right now, Minjun, she was really teasing her. So, we can get more on next week. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!